Hi guys, welcome to my pamper routine. As you can see, my face looks so dull. My It's important to do a pamper routine. Let's get started. First things first, let's do some hair care. So I'll be using a comb and just removing all the knots that I have in my hair. If you see, I do prefer removing the knots from bottom and then gradually taking it to the top. This ensures lesser hair fall, and I also remove some of my knots to ensure lesser. Then I'll be using a scalp brush. This brush ensures all my dandruff is out from my hair and also it's not stuck in my scalp. So when I'm washing, that will automatically be removed through my shampoo. This is how the scalp brushing is done. You need to ensure that it is touching your scalp and you feel that your dirt and dandruff is getting accumulated in the brush. Then the next step is hair oiling. I'm using the Badam Rogan hair oil. I am not using coconut because उस वक्त फिर भी थोड़ी सर्दी थी, so I all over my scalp. You can see मैं मिड लेंस और एंड्स पे बहुत ही कम ऑयल लगाती हूँ या ना के बराबर ऑयल लगाती हूँ. After applying the hair oil, I'll be massaging it onto my scalp for 5 minutes maximum because that ensures that my oil has reached every corner of my scalp. After head massaging and oiling, I will again use a scalp brush to ensure that my oil is also in the scalp completely, and then I will tie my hair into a braid. This makes me feel better actually rather than tying it into a bun, so I'll be tying it into a braid. Then it's time to do some nail care because my nails have been very bad right now. So I'm using the Color Bar nail remover and I'll be using it simply on all my nails. This nail remover has oils in it, so it actually removes the nail and not make them feel dry. Rather, it nourishes them, so it's very good actually for my nail. As you can see, only one cotton pad and all my 10 nails are done very seamlessly and effortlessly. So, loving it totally. After removing my nail paint, I'm cutting my nails to shape them. I usually do a CU shape or maybe V shape, but V shape I just avoid it. It doesn't look that great on my nails. So, I'm just cutting them. After cutting my nails, I will just shape them using the nail filer, and I usually don't use nail buffer or anything else because I think that is pretty much okay. And then I'll be using this Swadi oil which has I think 6 to 7 oils. I want to include this into my daily routine but I'm not able to, but it's a very good oil. Then let's do some lip care. I'm using this Bella. It is a very hydrating yet a very beautiful lip scrub. It actually removes all the dead skin cells from my lips and makes them feel so clean. I did this for a minute or so and then I just wiped the lip scrub off. Next up is a face mask, one of my favorite face mask from Mama Earth. It's their Upton face mask. It is such a great product. It just makes my dull skin look awesome within 10 minutes. So it's great. Then I'm making a DIY for my body. So I'm using some rice flour, curd and a pinch of turmeric. Wow. Right after the body scrub, I'll be using this shower gel by Body Shop, and for my face, it's been 10 minutes that I have applied this mask, and you can see how it comes off and it removes all the excess dirt. I'm done with my shower. I feel so fresh and good. Now I'll be cleaning my ears. This is one of the most important step that people do miss out. I'm just cleaning my ears now. Then I'll be using a eye mask under my eyes. This makes them feel so refreshed, nourished, and just then I'll be using a body lotion. I love this body lotion from M Caffeine. It just refreshes my mood, so it's a very good nourishing body lotion. Then I'll be using a hair serum from Streaks on my midlands and ends of the hair. Let's do some skincare, starting off with some lip balm. Lip balm is my go-to, and then just removing the eye serum. Because I've already applied the eye serum, I won't be applying any more eye product. Then I am using a serum for my face. I'm using this Plum Niacinamide serum and it is working very good for me. Then I'm using this and applying it all over my face. Lastly, I'm using a sunscreen by Wishcare and I love it so much. I have a coupon code for Wishcare which I will insert and you can check it. For my nails, I'm just applying a strengthening base coat. And yeah, that's it for my routine. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.